Early childhood friendships start to develop around the age of 3, but as late as 5 years old. In the beginning, friendships impact children's development. This is also associated with positive social and emotional health. Children learn quickly that friendships are a give and take relationship. For there to be a relationship, children must have something to give, whether they are fun to play cards with, they like to color together, or they are funny. There must be some base to the friendship. Children watch their role models interact with others, and this is a way for children to learn what healthy relationships look like. They also hear healthy, constructive conversations. This leads to them learning how to use their words appropriately. By making friends, children are given a chance to practice language. These language skills are a base for further relationships and helpful conversation skills. Children with significant communication problems, such as children with developmental language disorder, experience peer problems and have less empathetic skills. Empathy is an important stage of character development. By creating these relationships, individual growth happens. This is when children learn about others' feelings. Their perspective changes from inward to outwards, and they can understand that other children have emotions and their own viewpoint. According to Vandam Beaton, high-quality friendships are the goal when it comes to creating friends. Having more positive features such as mutual support, intimacy, and trust rather than negative features like jealousy and conflicts creates a quality friend. Children begin to learn that other people experience the world differently or have differing perspectives. When learning how to be a friend, It's important for children to have experienced positive interactions with others. This can be from conversations with their parents, guardians, or teachers. These positive interactions help children learn how to have successful relationships with other children. According to Dr. Kennedy Moore, there are 5 stages to developing friendship skills. Early childhood friendship starts at stage 0. This is what she refers to as the "I want it my way" stage. Here children look for what benefits them. They want to play and have a friend if they both want to do the same activity at that exact moment. While developing friendship skills, there are many different places children can look to for support. Just by being in a classroom, children experience the relationship they have with their teacher. This may not be a friendship exactly, but it is a step in developing their own relationships. Children also have their parents to base all other relationships on. This is also why healthy home relationships are so important. They can also watch their older siblings interact with friends. This is when children can see what mature friendships sometimes look like. Overall, children have many different relationships, emotions, and experiences on which to base their friendships.